In this video, we're going to be giving you a profile of the medicinal plant Comfrey and sharing some of its medicinal uses and precautions. Stay tuned. Comfrey is a medicinal plant with a history of traditional use stretching as far back as 400 BCE. Scientifically, it is known as Symphytum officinale, and the preferred common name in English is comfrey, but it has many common names. For example, there is common comfrey, true comfrey, boneset, knit bone, and consound, among other common names. There are different varieties of this plant, and it belongs to the Boraginaceae plant family, and the genus is called Symphytum. In terms of the origin and distribution, some literature claim that comfrey is native to Europe, but some say Europe and Asia. So the exact origin is disputable. However, it was introduced here in Jamaica over 50 years ago to be used as fodder in the goat and rabbit rearing businesses. It was also introduced to other parts of the Caribbean, Canada, and the United States. Now, in terms of the description, it is a shrub and it can grow up to 5 feet tall, but it depends on the variety. This variety is a variety that we have here in Jamaica, and it doesn't usually get taller than probably about a foot. As you can see, the leaves are large and they're also hairy with pointed ends, with the back of the leaves being light green in color. The root is thick and spindle shaped, tapering towards the end. This is another variety, and this one can be found in North America and Europe. Comfrey isn't a well-known herb in Jamaica, and unlike many of our other medicinal plants, it doesn't grow wildly and abundantly all over the place. So it's not common to see it growing along roadsides and in other green spaces. You may see it growing in forests, but that's rare. Most of the times when you do see it, it's probably in someone's garden or on a farm. This variety of comfrey is propagated by root cuttings, but there are other varieties that are propagated by seeds. For arthritis, this herb has been applied as a hot compress on areas that are painful to bring relief. Comfrey has also been applied to the skin for joint inflammation, swollen veins, and gout. The infused tea has been used to relieve colds, coughs, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Taken as a capsule or a tea, comfrey has been used for stomach conditions. For sprains and fractures, the leaves have been macerated to a pulp, or the roots washed and pulped and placed on the affected area to relieve swelling and pain. In the United Kingdom, the plant was given the common name knit bone because it has been used in setting fractures. A poultice of the fresh leaves is said to be excellent for gangrene, ruptures, sore breasts, fresh wounds, ulcers, burns, bruises, and sores. The tea taken internally is said to be useful for anemia, dysentery, diarrhea, leukorrhea, heavy menstrual periods, bloody urine, cancer, and angina. Comfrey has also been used as a gargle for gum disease and sore throat. Historically, there are some people who have eaten comfrey leaves as a vegetable. Comfrey leaves are used for slug control, as a fertilizer, and as a composting aid. Even though comfrey has been used medicinally, it poses some risks. It contains compounds that can cause liver damage. It may also be carcinogenic or even cause death. As a result, eating or taking any form of comfrey by mouth isn't recommended. Many experts also advise against using topical comfrey on open wounds. Comfrey may be safe to apply to your skin or closed wounds for short periods.